Welcome back to our royal icing experiment where we are trying to find the best way to get a true black royal icing. If you missed the first two parts of this, make sure to go back and check those out. The top rated suggestion that I'm getting over and over again is to add red because the black color that I use has a green undertone. Green and red are the opposite on the color wheel, and so if we're using color theory, they should cancel each other out and give us a neutral color. Now, I made these colors at 7:30 this morning. It is now 9:15 p.m. as I am making this voiceover, so they sat for about 12 hours. Now, if you're newer to royal icing or sugar cookie decorating, letting your royal icing sit for several hours or even overnight, it does get darker and it develops kind of similar to hair dye. So letting it sit is an important step. Now, the next thing that we're going to be trying is the black cocoa powder. This was also very highly suggested. Spoiler alert, I will show you everything in this one video, and I do really like how this color turned out. So I mixed in the black cocoa powder and then added the black food gel on top of that. The other thing that you guys have to remember here is this is a very small amount of royal icing. If I was actually making this royal icing for a client, I would have to make like 8 times this depending on how many cookies. And so if I just put 5 drops in that, I would have to add potentially 20 or 30 drops in a whole batch to get it to the color that I want. So this is why we're kind of doing this experiment. So at about 9 p.m. tonight, this is what they looked like. I still do not like the one that has the black and the red, which is this one that I'm mixing right here. It's still too blue-gray for me. It's just not really even close to black in my opinion. The black cocoa powder one does look really good, but in a client situation, when I am making an order for a client, they have to want flavored royal icing. Let me know what your suggestions are. What should we try next? I'm thinking that maybe we should order a different brand of black food coloring and then compare the two, but I would love to hear your suggestions. Thank you guys for all the support, and I'll see you in the next one.